Hi my angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching my video. In today's video I'm gonna share with you another wonderful hair mask. As you know, or if you don't know, I'll tell you right now that I'm a huge fan of DIY home remedies for hair. I have seen such a wonderful, amazing results and benefits on my hair during the years, in the past 2 years. So today I'm gonna show you another one, moisturizing, nourishing, regrowing hair mask for hair growth and for moisturizing your scalp and for lovely shiny hair. I have prepared today 4 ingredients for this mask. I'm just reading the information in internet about each ingredient, and then I personally decide how to mix the ingredients. I personally decide how to use them or what amount to use of each ingredient in my hair. So when I'm offering this mask to you and to your attention, I just want to let you know that this mask is, for example, working for me, or I see a nice results or benefits or something like this on my hair. But you have to know that every single hair is different. The mask could work on me but could not work on your hair. So first though, when you are using a kind of a DIY masks, a kind of a natural organic oils, ingredients, essential oils, or anything like this, you have to be sure first that you are not allergic to this. And as I know, you have to try for any allergy reactions in this part of your hand here. So if you have any irritation, skin irritation here, or if you feel any itching, then please don't apply any oils or any mask anywhere in your body, hair, external, or anywhere else. So yeah, first of all, the first ingredient that I have prepared is this shea butter, actually organic shea butter. I've ordered this from eBay. Actually, most of the oils that I have are from eBay, but I think that you can find them anywhere, and this is suitable for skin and hair use. I've checked lots of articles in Google, and there are lots of benefits of the shea butter for the hair. I will just tell you some of them. First, it's wonderful butter for hair growth. The butter repairs hair follicles and promotes healthy hair. For smooth, irritated scalp, as an anti-dandruff remedy. You can use it to repair damaged hair as well. Dry, brittle, and damaged hair can benefit from shea butter. It softens as it repairs, leaving you with a gorgeous hair again. To tame unruly hair. To protect hair from damage. To protect hair from heat protection, I should say. No, it gives you a heat protection. To strengthen hair as a hair moisturizer, and for natural hair. What does this mean? You can regularly use shea butter for natural hair that shines and bounces with health. Yeah, this is actually, you can Google, you can type for any additional information, but first of all, I have to tell you that this shea butter smells ridiculously awful. Oh my gosh, when I opened the package for the very first time, I said, oh my gosh, how am I gonna use this on my hair? It smells awful. But, okay, I don't mind. I can leave this on my hair for half an hour and then wash it with as much shampoo as I have in my bathroom. But because, as you can see, it's quite thick. So what I'm doing, I'm grabbing 2 tablespoons of it. I'm using this container as in all of my masks. This is my hair dye container, and I just put it in the microwave. I know probably some of you will say, it's not so beneficial to heat something in a microwave, but sorry, I just don't have enough time, and this is the fastest option for me. Yeah, but you have to use it quickly because it starts becoming thick again. So to this 2 tablespoons, probably it will be too much for my hair. I'm gonna be using extra virgin olive oil. This one is from Lidl, just probably anyone will work. I'm just gonna add like 2 to 3 tablespoons again from olive oil. Then I have prepared 100% pure vitamin E oil. I'm just gonna add several drops. 1, 2, okay, let's have 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E. It's lovely for hair, for skin. My bottle is almost half of it. And then I'm just gonna add lavender oil. It's wonderful for hair. It got so many beneficials for hair, and it smells so calming, but not everyone likes the smell of the lavender. I'm gonna put just 3 to 4 drops. 2, 3, 4. I can tell you just a little bit for the lavender oil. It says that lavender oil deep conditions the hair, keeps it shiny, and helps control dandruff. It says that lavender oil improves hair health, helps promote hair growth, it's antimicrobial, it may help prevent or kill head lice, but Jessie said it may prevent, it may help curb skin inflammation, it has a calming effect and divine fragrance. Yeah, I read you just the main things that lavender oil is doing to your hair. So yeah, this is the paste. When I add the extra virgin olive oil, the consistency of this mask becomes so liquid. So yeah, excuse me for the condition of my hair, but I was working today with the hair in a bun like this, and oh, I feel it so bad now. But yeah, this is my hair. It definitely needs to be washed today. So as you saw me in my previous mask, or probably you didn't see me, now you see me today, I'm just grabbing the mask with my hands and just start applying it from the very top, from the roots, massaging my scalp. And by the way, sorry for my miserable face look today, guys, but I got some kind of an eye irritation because of the dust today, or I don't know, but I feel my eyes so kind of I don't know, watery and itchy, and I just didn't feel that I'm comfortable to put any makeup.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. Yeah, my usual company is here again. Yeah, so it is a lot oily, and the filling is a lot thick, like kind of a thick filling, or I don't know how to say, than my previous mask that I've done. And then when I'm ready, I will continue to applying the hair mask on the length of my hair until I cover my entire hair. Probably because of the ridiculously awful smell of the shea butter. If you decide to use lavender oil, probably you have to use a little bit more, like kind of to help you eliminate this awful smell of the shea butter. Okay, I think that this is enough because I made too much mask. Then I'm just gonna be doing a messy bun. I'm gonna be using this elastic band, and I will try to secure it as much as I can because I'm gonna have a dinner right now and I don't want any of my hair to fall in my plate while I'm eating. Okay, so I think I'm ready. Oh, I can't used to this smell. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. Yeah, so probably, as I'm saying in my in every single mask that I'm doing, that as long as you stay, as long as you stay with the hair masks, as many beneficials you're going to have to your hair. Yeah, Mom. Okay. But I don't think that I can stay with this smelly mask for more than half an hour to an hour maximum. So I'm gonna wash my hair after half an hour to an hour, and I'm gonna come again and update you of the way I feel my hair and was it easy to wash this oil, and yeah, I will let you know about the washing process. So see you in a bit.
Today, we had the shower and my mom is lying down, and I'm going to do this, make her hair. And my sister's just showing me something. My mom. Sorry, my sister just was showing us for Halloween that she made on her bird, and I could still make her hair. Some hair she didn't get that was left over. We're finishing over. Her hand was hurting, and I said to my mom, can I like how we're doing it, I want to do more. And she
Would you like to spray my hair with this?
How much? A lot or a little?
5 pumps.
1, 2,
At the end.
4, 5.
But just a little bit more. Stop. That's enough.
Now I'm going to make it. Now I'm going to brush. Okay. Hi everybody. If you want to see more videos, comments down below.
Hi my angels, I'm back again. I just washed out my hair and obviously blow dry it. And I can say only wonderful and nice things about this mask. I feel my hair so, how to explain it exactly, so clean and so soft, and exactly after I'm washing my hair, it's not so curly as you used to see me in my other videos, but I'm just styling my hair every single morning just with water. I'm not using any curling, styling products or anything like this. I just used to do my hair only with water and my blow dryer and my diffuser on it, and just this, nothing else. I will show you what I've used to wash out my hair. This is the Pantene Superfood Full and Strong shampoo. It's brand new. I bought it from Boots about 2-3 days ago, but I didn't use it. This is actually my first time of using it. And I washed my hair with it twice. I mean, I put it once in my hand, then I washed my hair, then I was then I was still feeling my hair a little bit oily, and I wash it once again, and I think that it's perfectly washed. And then on top of it, I was using this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Multi-Use Balm for normal to dry hair. Me and my daughter, we really love and enjoy this mask. It is with coconut oil. I really love it, and I just want to say something like in addition, that doesn't matter what type of DIY masks I'm doing at home. I'm always using in the bathroom when I'm washing out my hair, I'm always using masks. Unfortunately, just the conditioners are not working personally for me and on my hair. They are too lightweight for my hair. It is so dry and it's curly, and just the conditioners are actually not doing anything. So actually every single time I'm washing my hair with or without natural mask at home or DIY natural oils mask or anything like this, like I did today, I'm always using this mask, or I got several others in my bathroom, but I'm planning to show you all the products that I'm using on my hair and that I really like and enjoy at this moment. I'm planning to make another video. Yeah, just be like a separate video just for the products. If you're interested and if you want to see this video, please leave me a comment down below or just give me a thumbs up so I will know like this that you're interested in this topic. Yeah, so I'm really happy of the final result. Yeah, I'm trying to see. There is no more oily hair, no nothing. So I'm really happy of this mask, and it's bedtime. My boy is eating ice cream, so probably you can hear the sound of his spoon.
I have a spoon.
Yeah.
All in ice cream.
All in ice cream, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my video right now, and I just want to say one huge thanks for joining me in this video, for joining me in this DIY hair nourishing mask. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like my video. I really hope that you would like to see some more videos from me, and if it's so, please press the red subscribe button. You will make me extremely happy. Give me a thumbs up. If you want, leave me a comment down below. If you don't want, don't leave me a comment down below. And thank you once again so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.